Okay, I'll wait till it gets quiet.
This shirt broke. The looking on for
Okay, give it, just slide it to the side. I'll let them know.
Yeah. What the? Alright. I'll send this one.
All right. All right. Okay, I'll go ahead and get set. We waste too much time.
I'm ready to go ahead and get this over with.
Okay, now, I'm gonna let you try to solve this by yourself. You might use your calculators on your iPad, because I have to find some little iPad.
I don't think you do this on calculators either. Cause they don't got no S up there.
You won't have an S. They're getting ready to tell you what S is. Remember? S is -2,
Oh yeah.
and T, look to the side, is 10. So you have to stop rolling. I'm gonna put you in one that's don't move. I don't like noise. So make a decision. Now, what you need to do is rewrite this problem. Instead of S, what am I gonna put?
-2.
-2. So remember I told you yesterday, put it in parentheses. Put your, that's an exponent to the second power. What is T?
10.
Okay? And then subtract 10. So you could put this in the calculator. You can put one piece at a time. What's -2 squared?
-2 square. Oh, 4.
Yes, that means -2 times -2, which is 4. I'm right here. So we're going to put 4 here. I'm showing you every step. You won't figure it out. Okay, now when two variables, that's what S and T are, right? Variables, could be X, could be Y. When they're sitting right beside each other, that's multiplication. So I'm multiply 4 times 10. I'm just rewriting these steps.
Yeah.
And I encourage you to write steps until you really learn this. So I'm over here. What's 4 times 10?
40.
Good.
It's 40.
And now our final answer was 40 minus 10.
40 minus 10. 40 is not
If you have
like
40,
6.
get 10 away.
6.
30.
Oh.
40 subtract 10.
Yeah, 40.
If you count by 10.
Yeah, that's 30. Yeah.
So your answer for number 5 is 30. But that's the steps that's involved. Remember yesterday we talked about the vocabulary word evaluation, where we substitute numbers for the variable and then we solve it.
August.
Let's look at one like number 6. Don't be afraid of it. I can open the door and that will help.
Oh,
a little
killing
bit.
me.
But you have to be quiet for the classes down this hallway for history class.
Yeah, I'm tripping, bro. There ain't cold in here.
You got a heavy tail coat on,
I
boy.
take this coat off, bro.
Or your pants.
I take this coat off, bro. Lady, bro. Yeah,
Okay,
I
let's
take
look
this
at
coat
number
off, bro.
6.
It's like this, bro.
Ooh.
Okay,
Oh.
the same concept. This is 4p to the second power plus 7 third power. Okay, make sure we get our exponents correct. Now, p, when we see p, we're going to put, what is that?
4.
No, it's not. Look on your paper.
They
Three,
the 4
maybe
here.
three.
What is
-3?
Three.
I want you to tell me what p equals. -3.
Oh, -3.
Yes, we need to know that. And how about the other alphabet? What does that equal?
-2.
-2, yeah.
Okay, and that's very important. Now, what we do, we take time, and we're gonna write all this down step by step. So I'm gonna rewrite 4. Instead of p, what am I gonna put?
Three.
I'm gonna put it in parentheses, and I'm gonna raise it to the second power.
That's right.
This is the only way you're gonna be able to solve this correctly.
So 4.
You keep your 4, bring your 4.
In a Bentley.
Instead of p, you're gonna put,
I need
I'm
that
gonna
my
put a
Bentley.
-3 there. And raise it to the second power. So that's what this is right here. I put my plus sign.
Plus.
I bring down my 7. And this is raised to the third power, -2. again, put it in parentheses. Raise it to the third power. Now, you have calculators where you actually be able to put all this in the calculator and it'll work. But
I don't
in the
really
meantime,
get
we're gonna do this step by
They
step.
don't always give you the right answer.
You have to be, whereas it's not gonna give you the right answer if you don't put the right
You
stuff
have
in
to be
there.
precise with what you're doing on your calculator.
Okay, let's look at
Yeah,
it.
that's right.
Listen, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do one step at a time,
Good.
so be patient.
The North Carolina State Board of Education.
Question. What's -3 to the second power?
Six.
Nine.
Six.
Six.
Not 6, you were right first time.
Negative.
No, it's not. Listen, we're not multiplying 3 times 2. We're multiplying 3 times itself twice. -3 times -3.
9.
This is what we're doing. -3
Walker test is
times
very
-3.
That's positive 9.
That's exactly what Ms. Burkett just told us about. That when you multiply 2 negative numbers, the answer is positive. Remember?
yeah.
That's in your notes, that's on campus, okay?
4.
So, I know this is gonna be 9. Okay, so I'm finished with that. I hope you wrote it, so I'm ready to mark through it. I'm bringing down my plus sign, now I'm bringing down my 7. Now, I have -2 cubed. So what does that tell you need to do? -2 times -2 times -2. That
Six.
tells you how many times,
Eight.
6,
8.
8. That tells you how many times you multiply that number times itself.
Negative
It's negative because this is an odd number.
8. -8.
Let's calculate it. -2 times -2 is +4. Everybody with me?
Yes.
And then +4 times -2 is -8. So right here, I'm gonna put -8. Okay, now I've done all that. Now I'm right here. So take a minute, look at that, see if you have any questions.
Nope.
Okay, good. Now, 4 times 9.
4 times 9.
Mhm.
36.
Good.
That's right.
Very good. 36. I'm gonna go ahead and put a plus here, but I know this is gonna be a negative number because we just found out that 7 times a negative number is a negative answer. That's actually gonna be a negative what? What's 7 times 8?
Oh.
Everybody know that time to look to this. You got a calculator on your phone